So we're going to convert this shape now to a solid object. Alright, so to do this we need to go to create and we're going to offset this surface here. So just click on the surface, alright, and we can offset that by, let's say, 1 millimeter. Alright, so we're actually choosing where the other surface is going to be to obviously give us that thickness. So if you want your thickness to be obviously more, depending on obviously what sort of shape you're trying to do, now obviously you can just increase that. But for this purpose here, we'll just choose 1 millimeter. Alright, and you can see that it's just offset from each other. So it's the same shape, but just obviously made a little bit smaller. Okay, and you can see that obviously on this side over here as well. Alright, now they are still just two surfaces. It's still not a solid object yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to loft those two surfaces together. So we're going to go to create, go to loft, and we're going to select that surface and obviously the one underneath. Okay, so it's going to loft those two profiles together. So if we press OK, okay, you can tell that's now done. Alright, so we are now going to stitch this all together. Okay, so it's now lofted to each other. Okay, but we want this to be solid because if we do a section analysis, sorry, here we are, we'll click that surface plane, and when we go through, alright, you can tell that's still not solid. Okay. Alright, we'll go cancel. Alright, so to make it solid we need to stitch everything together. So we're going to hit stitch. Alright, we can just select all. Alright, and where it's all green, obviously it means that all those edges are good to combine together. Alright, if we hit OK. Okay, now we've got one solid body, and you can see that here as well in body 7. Okay, so that's what you would do to, obviously add thickness to your surfaces. Alright, so you get your surface ready first, and then start getting ready for, actually making it into a 3D model. But once again, just to double check, we can go to section analysis again, select here, and when we drag that you can see it's solid all the way through, alright, by 1 millimeter all the way across.